How to log out of your SoundCloud account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your SoundCloud account. So to do that, first of all, open the SoundCloud application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your SoundCloud account. Now, in order to log out of your account, on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options, namely Discover, Feed, Search, Library and Upgrade. So you'll have to tap on the fourth option, which is Library. After that, you'll be taken to this page where on the top right corner of your screen, just right to the upgrade option, you can see your profile picture. Simply tap on it. After that, you'll be taken to this page where if you look closely, you can see the option Sign Out. Simply tap on it and then it'll ask you to clear user data. You will have to reconnect your SoundCloud account. So once you're okay with that, tap on the option OK, and there you have it. That is basically how you log out of your SoundCloud account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.